Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term WDH. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, DH is an acronym used in texting to ask, "What do you hear?" or "What do you have?" People use it when checking for updates or information quickly in chats. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. WDH first showed up in the 2000s internet chat slang among gamers and text messengers. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger people who communicate online. Now let's check out how to use WDH in a sentence. Correct example 1. She typed WDH to check if her friend had any news about the party plans. Correct example 2. I sent WDH to see if anyone had the game codes ready. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said WDH at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using WDH right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. WDH means an acronym used in texting to ask, "What do you hear?" or "What do you have?" It started in the 2000s internet chat slang, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in gaming. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with WDH in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.